Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring 1 cup Quaker rolled oats and pouring 2 cups water or milk into a medium saucepan. This ratio gives a creamy texture. Turn the heat to medium-high so the liquid warms evenly, and add a pinch of salt to enhance flavor. Once the liquid just starts to shimmer and steam, add the oats and give them a quick stir. You want them to hit warm liquid right away to hydrate evenly and prevent clumping. Once the oats are in, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then immediately reduce to medium-low so it cooks steadily without boiling over. You should stir about every 30 to 60 seconds. Stirring releases starches and prevents the oats from sticking to the pan. Cook for roughly 5 to 7 minutes depending on whether you want more bite or creaminess. Tasting as you go helps you decide. If it looks too thick, add a splash of hot water or milk to loosen. You finish by removing the oats from heat and letting them sit for about 1 minute to thicken. This resting step evens out texture. Stir in a pat of butter or a splash of milk to boost creaminess, then add your chosen toppings and sweetener. If the oatmeal seems too thick, whisk in hot water or milk a tablespoon at a time until you reach the consistency you like. Conversely, if it's too thin, return to low heat and simmer uncovered for a minute to concentrate it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.